Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable insights on real estate and property investments. Today, we have an exciting topic that property owners won't want to miss. We'll be discussing renovations that can add significant value to your property. Whether you're looking to sell, rent, or simply increase the value of your home, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. When it comes to renovations, it's crucial to choose upgrades that provide both aesthetic appeal and long-term value. Let's start with the first renovation idea. Renovation 1. Kitchen remodeling. Renovating your kitchen can have a tremendous impact on your property's value. A modern, functional kitchen is often considered the heart of a home. By investing in high-quality materials, new appliances, and stylish design, you can create a space that is not only attractive but also highly functional. An upgraded kitchen can attract potential buyers or tenants, significantly boosting your property's overall value. Renovation 2. Bathroom upgrades. Another renovation that adds value to your property is upgrading your bathroom. Bathrooms are essential spaces that buyers pay close attention to. Installing new fixtures, replacing worn-out tiles, and enhancing the overall ambience of your bathroom can make a world of difference. Make sure to focus on both style and functionality to create a bathroom that appeals to a wide range of individuals. Renovation 3. Energy-efficient improvements. In today's environmentally conscious world, energy-efficient improvements are highly valued. By incorporating eco-friendly features like solar panels, energy-efficient windows, or improved insulation, you will not only reduce utility bills but also attract environmentally conscious buyers or tenants. These upgrades not only save money in the long run but also contribute to a healthier planet. Renovation 4. Outdoor space enhancements. Don't forget the importance of your property's outdoor space. Improving your landscape, adding a patio or deck, and creating an inviting outdoor entertainment area can significantly increase your property's value. Buyers often seek homes that offer a well-designed, private outdoor space for relaxation and socializing. Make sure to invest in landscaping and outdoor amenities that align with local preferences and climate. Renovation 5. Additional living space. Finally, if you have the opportunity, consider adding extra living space to your property. This could be in the form of a loft conversion, basement renovation, or even a granny flat. Additional living spaces give your property an edge by providing versatility and potential for rental income. The more functional square footage you offer, the more attractive your property becomes to potential buyers or tenants. And there you have it. 5 renovations that can substantially increase the value of your property. From kitchen remodeling to additional living spaces, these upgrades are sure to make a difference. Remember to do thorough research, plan your budget, and work with professionals to ensure a successful renovation project. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on real estate and property investments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.